Hello, little artists. Ready for a super fun drawing adventure? And let's start drawing together. First, let's draw Dad's head. Draw a really big circle. Let's spin and spin. Wow, great job. Now it's time for the eyes. Draw two little eyes so Dad can see all the amazing things around him. You make them big and happy. Wow, great job. Now it's next the nose. A little nose right in the middle. Very good. And now the smile. Let's draw a really big, happy mouth because Dad loves to smile at you. Can you smile too? Hee hee. Great job, little artists. Now let's draw Dad's body. Start with the neck. Then the arms. One arm on this side. Wow, great job. And another arm on the other side. Who's going to subscribe to the channel to watch more videos? Now Daddy's body. Daddy gives the best hugs, doesn't he? Now let's draw the legs. One leg. We design the shoe. Two legs, so Daddy can walk, dance, and play with you all day. We designed the other shoe. Your drawing is looking amazing. Let's draw Daddy's hair. After we're doing the hair, we'll draw Dad's eyebrows. Wow, look what you created. You drew Daddy all by yourself. I'm so proud of you, little artist. In the next video, we'll color Daddy to make him even more handsome. See you in the next video. Bye, little friends.